Question number 7, WASSCE 2023 Private Candidate NOVDEC Edition. Find the equation whose roots are given as 2 on 5 and -3. So in order to find the root of an equation, we have two methods. The first one is we know x squared minus sum of root times x, then product of root equals 0. This will be a straight line, but let's get it that way. Sum of root meaning addition, product of root meaning multiplication. So we can take it as sum. You know, 2 on 5, right? Plus -3 is the same as what? -3. So in order to do this, we can rewrite this as 5, 2 on 5 minus, this could also be 3 on 1, right? Or better still, multiplying them all by 5 will give us 15. 5 here, 5. We know 15 divided by 5 give us what? 3. So we have the same denominator, so we can subtract the numerators. So our sum is going to be 2 minus 15, that will be a -13 divided by 5. So the sum of this is a fraction subtraction. You can do it the way you prefer also. Then we find the product, which is the multiplication, right? So 2 on 5 times -3. The numerator multiply the whole number, give us a -6 on 5. So the equation becomes x squared minus the sum. What do we get? -13 on 5x. Okay, let me put it this way. Then plus the product we have will also be a -6 on 5 equals to 0. Let's put it that way. And now, if you open the bracket, negative, positive. So x squared plus 13 on 5x, negative and positive become -6 on 5 equals 0. I believe you know what to do. There is an equal sign. There is a fraction. So we multiply by the LCM, which in this case will be 5. So we multiply through by 5. So 5 here, 5x squared. We know when 5 multiplied it cancels itself, remaining 13x, cancel itself, remaining 6. 0 times 5 is 0. So the equation we are looking for is 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 equals 0. And that will have been the option C on the question paper. Alright. I mentioned there are two ways of solving it. We can also use this approach. We know that x plus or minus a, x plus or minus b equals to 0. These are the expansion. This could be the root. When I find x, it will become -a. If I find x from here, it will become -b. Meaning if these are the root of the equation, when they are sent back into the multiplication, their sign changes. So I can do the same thing here by saying that the equation will become x, this is plus, so minus 2 on 5, right? Multiplying x, this is already minus, to become plus 3 equals to 0. What do? We expand. So x times x, that will be x squared. X times 3, 3x. -2 on 5 times x, -2 on 5x. -2 on 5 times this give us -6 on 5 equals to 0. Are you seeing the resemblance? 3 minus 2 on 5. Here we are having 2 on 5 minus 3, right? And we can be able to do the same thing here to get our answer. Already we know the product. from here. We are having that. So let's see. 3 minus this could be x squared plus 15 over 5x minus 2 on 5x, 6 on 5 equals to 0. Right? So from here, I can say that 15 minus 2 will give me 13, right? So I'll be having x squared plus 13 on 5x minus 6 on 5 equals to 0. I believe you are seeing it there, positive. So when you multiply through, your x squared will be multiplied by 5, 13x, 6 equals to 0. So from here, we can also follow this approach to arrive at the same answer, or the first approach. I believe each of the approach will help you get your answer, right? Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.